रहे हैं द लाइव न्यूज, सच सबसे आगे। द लाइव न्यूज को सब्सक्राइब करें, साथ में इस बेल आइकन पर भी क्लिक करें।
Heavy rains and winds have been reported in eastern India and Bangladesh, with a super cyclone expected to make landfall in hours. Both countries have evacuated millions of people in preparation for cyclone Amphan, which is approaching from the Bay of Bengal. India's Met Department tweeted that Amphan was on course to make landfall between afternoon and evening. The coronavirus outbreak is making it harder for officials in both countries. India and Bangladesh has asked for schools and other buildings to be turned into temporary shelters, but they need more than usual in order to house people while maintaining social distancing. People in India's West Bengal state, which is expected to be badly affected by the storm, it is told that people were unwilling to go to the shelters because they were afraid of contracting COVID-19. More than 20 relief teams have already been deployed and several more are on standby. Indian officials say Amphan is one of the biggest storms in the decade. Meteorologists warn it is expected to hit the coast, winds gusting up to 185 km per hour, the equivalent to Category 5 hurricane. Officials in Bangladesh fear it will be the most powerful storm since Cyclone Sidr killed about 3,500 people in 2007. Most died as a result of seawater surging in. While the storm's current wind speed is likely to reduce slightly before it makes landfall, India's weather department is predicting the surge of water cost could be as high as 10 to 16 feet. The cyclone comes as a 10 of thousands of migrant workers flee cities for their villages during India's lockdown to curb the spread of coronavirus. West Bengal and Odisha are among the Indian states that are seeing a large number of them return, and some district officials have barred entry and requested the state government to accommodate the migrants, many of whom are walking home elsewhere until the storm passes. Bangladesh Disaster Management Ministry told that they planned to evacuate about 2 million people, an operation they expected to continue into Wednesday morning. Extra shelters have been prepared to allow for social distancing, while masks are also being distributed. But state officials in India are struggling to find shelters for evacuees. In Odisha, for instance, 250 of the more than 800 existing shelters are being used as coronavirus quarantine centers. Around 50,000 people have also been evacuated from areas near the Sundarban Island in India. Would be the first super cyclone storm in the Bay of Bengal since 1999. Super cyclone that killed more than 9,000 people. The weather department said the storm is likely to move across the northwest Bay of Bengal and cross West Bengal and Bangladesh coast from noon local time on 20 May.
आप देख रहे हैं द लाइव न्यूज, सच सबसे आगे। द लाइव न्यूज को सब्सक्राइब करें, साथ में इस बेल आइकन पर